In this section, we're going to discuss the differences between overriding and overloading. Overriding is the idea of having identical method signatures, but to supplement or replace the behavior of the superclass method. This usually means that the superclass method is incomplete. We need to either completely replace it or modify how it works to add additional information. The previous section had the toString method that showed that an employee could output the name and a salary through the toString method. Overloading has different method signatures. That means we are going to have two or more methods with the same name but different parameter lists. This usually means is that we want to do the same operation, but the data on which we operate is different. For example, a hierarchy of geometric objects would have unique ways of computing areas for each specific shape. Computing the area is conceptually similar regardless of shape, but the mechanics of it is very different per shape. Overloaded methods may exist in the same or different classes related by inheritance. They have to have similar signatures, not identical. Overridden methods must exist in different classes related by inheritance. They have identical signatures. It's best to tell the compiler that a method is supposed to be overridden by supplying the @overrides annotation. Although this is not required, it's helpful. If a typo occurs and the method signature is different, an error will be thrown, alerting the programmer to the fact that a typo exists. An overridden method may call its superclass method by using the super keyword. In this case, it modifies the superclass behavior. Without using this keyword, it replaces. So that would mean that the subclass method would call the superclass version, allow it to do its behavior, and then add a little to it, supplementing it so that the behavior is modified.